For today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I ordered from the United States. This is from Levi's USA on the last week of December of last year. So it arrived after almost 20 days, and it's only now that I was able to get it from my forwarder, which is Johnny Air Cargo, and we're going to unbox this item. The reason why I bought this is this item is one of my favorites in my collection on the Levi's, most especially on their jacket category. This is not a Selvedge denim. This is not a regular being issued by Levi's USA. And I was surprised to see that they have this kind of model. So this came from Kentucky, USA. So one of the warehouses of Levi's USA, and we're going to unbox or unwrap this so that we will see what is inside. This is a jacket. We're going to tear the pack, and we will bring the jacket outside. This is a very unique jacket because this is one of the few releases of Levi's USA wherein you have two soft pocket flaps with snap buttons, and it's color black, and you have this yoke in front. There are no pleats on the front, but you have a very distinct Sawtooth flaps on the pockets. So this is the only time that I saw this kind of model, and that's the reason why I immediately ordered it. And according to the description, it says that it is too big, so I ordered extra small. Actually, they offered, I think, 50% discount on this. So they offered it on sale for about $50, and then upon your checkout, they deduct another 50%. So basically, I only paid $25. This was priced as $108, but they reduced the price to 50% off. And then out of the 50% off, they gave me another 50% off. So from 108 to $25. It's really a good deal. And then $7 as the shipping fee. And in the conversion for Philippine pesos, it only amounted to 1,800 pesos, which is a good deal because this is a Levi's premium. This is a relaxed fit, and that's the reason why I ordered extra small. This is 12 ounces. Of course, you have snap buttons, black snap buttons, and then at the back, you have a very nice single yoke, and at the hem at the back, you have buttons, and you can adjust the tightness of the hem of this jacket. And what is nice about this is you have those side pockets or hand warmer pockets. They call this the Relax Tracker Jacket with Sawtooth flaps, and this is very, very unique, and this is the only first time that I saw this kind of tracker jacket which is released in their website. So I took the opportunity immediately to buy this item because I know this will be sold out in a few days. So I'm going to open. So you have a very nice snaps, and of course, as usual, you have the tags. You have 4 shiny tags, 3 on one side and then another one here. And it says this is made in Cambodia, and this is 100% cotton. So this is a good deal. And then we'll see how when it was manufactured. It says 5223. So basically in the 52nd week of the year 2023, and it's only last November or December that they were able to release this on their website. I immediately ordered this because I know this is being sold out after a few days. So I got the one with extra small, and we will see how it fits. And yeah, it has a very nice leather patch on the nape portion. And of course, you have chain stitch on the hem inside. You have also secret pocket inside on both sides. This is the left, and then this is the right. So this is very nice. You can use this. I can use this in my travels, and I can place my passport and tickets inside. So it is secured, and then I can put my hands on the hand warmer on the side, and you have a very nice Sawtooth flaps on the front. So this is a good deal for $25, less than 2,000 pesos. So yeah. So while I'm seated here, I'm going to fit this so that you can see. This is still very, very loose. It's still very loose, but this is already their extra small. But on everything from the top so that you will see. It's nice to have this as an overshirt if you have a nice sweater or a hoodie. You can use this as the outer shirt. So I'm going to stand and you will see how it fits. Still very, very loose. And even the hem of the sleeves is very loose. But I like it. I think I made the right decision to order the extra small. There's no smaller size than extra small, so this is a very nice fit. So I can use this with open buttons, or I can use this with some, you know, cuffs on my sleeves, and it's nice to see it there. Nice chain stitch on the hem, and the fabric is very, very soft. So nice. If you have any comments on this unboxing video, please write your comment down below, and please subscribe to this small channel so that we can sustain the existence of this small channel from yours truly. So with that, thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye.